Imagine waking up tomorrow and learning that everything you know, money, gender, even your job, was made up by society. Not fake, but constructed. That's the essence of social construction, and understanding it changes how you see the world. Social construction is a foundational idea in sociology. It tells us that many things we take for granted are not natural or universal. They're shaped by human interactions, cultural norms, and historical context. Think of it like this: society doesn't discover meaning, it builds it. Language, identities, institutions, these are all negotiated, maintained, and changed through social processes. Historically, this idea started gaining traction with thinkers like Emil Durkheim, who emphasized that social facts, norms, values, institutions exist outside of us but still influence our behavior. But it was Peter Berger and Thomas Luckmann, in their 1966 work, The Social Construction of Reality, who fully developed the concept. They explained how knowledge is created through interaction, institutionalized over time, and then taken for granted as reality. Fast forward to today, and modern sociologists like Michel Foucault has expanded the concept into gender and power. He showed how power operates not just through laws or rulers, but through knowledge, language, and institutions, how we construct the normal and the deviant. Race? Biologically, humans are almost identical, but socially, race is constructed, given meaning through history, politics, and systems of power. That's why W.E.B. Du Bois emphasized that race must be understood sociologically, not biologically. Another example, time. The idea that a day is divided into 24 hours, or that we work 9 to 5, this isn't a natural law. It's a social construction that organizes our lives. Social construction also operates at a micro level. Take names. Your name only holds meaning because others accept it and respond to it. Or consider professionalism. What we wear, how we speak, when we're seen as serious. All socially constructed cues we learn and reproduce. It's crucial to understand that just because something is socially constructed doesn't mean it's not real. Its consequences are very real. Social constructions shape identities, legitimize inequalities, and influence how institutions function. And here's the kicker. If something is constructed, it can also be deconstructed. We can challenge norms, reshape institutions, and build new realities. That's what makes sociology not just a tool for understanding the world, but for changing it. So the next time you hear someone say, "That's just how it is," ask, who decided that? Who benefits? That's the sociological imagination in action. If you found this eye-opening, share it with someone who needs a fresh lens on life, and subscribe for more sociological insights that make you rethink the world around you.